Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you get Safari back on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you have searched for Safari everywhere you could find but you couldn't find it, then I'm going to show you the solutions. So for the first one, here you can see your app search option. Just search for Safari. Here you can see your Safari app is not here. Then you can just go to your Siri suggestions in the left side and just search for Safari again, and here you can see the same result, the settings Safari but not the real Safari. Now if you could not find Safari after these two steps, then just go to settings. Here you can see screen time, click on it, scroll, and here you will see restrictions, content and privacy restrictions, click on it, and here you can see allowed apps and features, click on it, and here you can see your Safari is not toggled, just click it, and here you can see the Safari is turned on. Now just go back and you will see Safari is back. Just search for Safari and here you can see the Safari is here. You can just browse Safari. So guys, that's the solution to get Safari on iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then hit the like button and make sure that you have subscribed this channel, and if you want to get future update, then hit the bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching the video.